Good morning, everybody. Today you will read another story. Do you remember the story Little Red Riding Hood? Well, now get ready to read the same story, but now you know who will tell it. Yes, the wolf. The story will be by the wolf. Let's see what he has to say. Okay, now here you have the site. You click on the site and maybe you will have to log in. Remember when you read the books about the nurse and the veterinarian? Okay, now if you have to log in, remember the information. Here you have. You sign in and comes the book. Now you start the book and here it is. Remember, you can listen to it and read it. I would like you to do both things. Now, if you want to start by listening, you click here.
Honestly, Red Riding Hood was rotten. The story of Little Red Riding Hood as told by The Wolf by Trisha Speed Shaskin. Illustrated by Gerald Gurley. Chomp, chomp. Oh, I'm sorry. I was just finishing my lunch. My name's Wolf. Big Bad Wolf. You may have heard the story of Little Red Riding Hood. About a girl and her granny. Seems everyone has. My tale is different. Did I say tail? I meant tail. Chomp, chomp.
Okay, enjoy the story.